Heart-touching moment captured on camera as this dog helps this old man to stand after he fell many times. The dog became one of his legs right after an incident where he could not walk again. Sometimes they were lucky because some stranger also helped when they saw them. Most of the time, it was just the two of them who shared in the good and the bad times. Dog stays by his side and never leaves him alone, guiding him through everything and not losing hope that he could walk again someday. A loyal friend can give us strength when life takes it away. Tag someone who would stand by your side no matter what.